Assalamualaikum. Halo guys, kita sekarang lagi berada di Momong Resort, Ekis Momong Resort, dan di Aceh Besar. Kita hari ini rencana mau buat video klip cover lagunya Rial Doni. Lagu apa Mama? Judulnya?
Ana menjudo.
Nantikan terus vlog ini sampai dengan pembuatan video klip ini selesai.
Check it out.
Perjuangan ya guys ya. Nah, mereka ini lagi berjuang untuk penggarapan video klip cover lagu Aceh, lagu Rial Doni. Di sini ada saya, Teguh Iwan. Tetap stay tune di sini ya, sampai kita selesai pembuatan video klip nanti. Oke guys, kita ini sekarang di lokasinya Momong Resort Aceh Besar. Oke, ini adalah tempat terbaru yang belum siap apa-apa nih, sampai jalannya pun belum siap nih, lagi ditambak.
You got a fast car. I wanna take it to anywhere. Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can go somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. I've been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living. You got a fast car. Fast enough so we can fly away. We're gonna make a decision. Live tonight, die this way.